Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Pamela's Creations. I'm here today to show you a Dollar Tree haul and some giveaway winnings that I won from Creating with Jovi, and I'll link her channel down below in the description box. And I also grabbed a few things from Walmart, so let's get started in what I purchased. Okay, first we're going to get into this package. I won this giveaway from Creating with Jovi. I will link her channel down below in the description box. So please go check out her channel. She does journaling, paper crafting. I absolutely adore her channel. I have watched her for years. So go check her out and it'll be linked down below. Alright, so it was wrapped in this packaging, so it was really safe and secure. And she made a I Love Lucy calendar journal type. Well, it could be a journal, it could be anything. So first I got, oh my gosh, look at this, guys. So this is a dress that she made. Look at that. That is so cute. Old-fashioned vintage style. The blues. Look like the gingham. She's got some like gingham. It looks like she put some jemmies on there. Right there and right there. It's such a pretty paper dress. I love it. Alright, and here is a wonderful, wonderful I Love Lucy. We have a card. It says Free and Wild. I love that. Let's open it up. Oops. And I love her cards that she makes. They're so pretty. Look at this card. It's like a maybe a makeup brush. Very soft lettering like butter. I love this. It doesn't make me happy either. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Congrats on your winnings. The I Love Lucy ephemera holder. You can use it as a memory keeper or a journal if you wanted. I hope this finds you well. Your friend Jovi, Creating with Jovi. I love it. Thank you so, so much. It's beautiful. I'm going to add that card in here. And look how she packaged it. Very nice. Very nice. And this is some washi tape. You glow, girl. Oh, love it. So cute. I watched the process of this being made and I fell in love with it. And it says, made by Creating with Jovi 2026. And it has a cute dangle on it with a clip. And there is a dangle here. And here is a ooh, I like that too. A little dangle there. I love that. And let's open this up. She made this pocket out of a jean pocket and put some, she puts, some ribbon across here. Here is a couple of cards. Hello Spring. I love it. And she just cut some paper and put some backing on that, and this is some material, and so is this. Oh, I love it. And then here's the first page. Let's flip over, and this is a card. You belong among the wildflowers. It's so cute. It's like a card. And then lips, glitter paper, and some more ribbon here. Love it. Rick Rack ribbon. Okay. I just want to make sure I don't. There we go. Here's the page. And then we got a piece of cute paper there. And Seize the Day. We got some beautiful ribbon with some jimmies and stuff on it. And there is Lucy and Ricky. Here is the ribbon, or no, that's paper, and she sewed it on the pockets. Here's the pockets. And Lucy and Desi. And then here's some stickers here. And Lucy and Desi. Sticker there. Shop sticker. And then this says, get the lighting here correct. Chasing, classy and fabulous. A girl should always be two things, classy and fabulous. Amen to that. Okay, next one we got this scooter, this little twirly toy. It says enjoy the ride, and there's a bicycle, and it says it's really my phone. It's really fun. I really like that. And then she put some ice cream stickers here. Bathing suit, because this is a card. It has glitter paper. Hello summer. Ice cream bathing suit. Beautiful for that time of year. Next thing, we got a llama sticker. Lucy and oh my gosh, my mind went blank, but her real name's Vivian. I don't know why I cannot remember her name offhand. And on the show, so it says you melt away. We got some doilies here. We got another card you can write on. It says do what you love and love what you do. I love that. And I love the flower and the pink. And that's what she did in the back here, because this is a pocket. Love it, love it, love it. Sorry, I used my camera stand to move you guys around a minute. And then Lucy, oh, Ethel. Ethel is her name. Anyway, Lucy and Ethel. Looks like they're in the kitchen. I always loved her style on the show. I absolutely loved it. I also liked her in real life too. But we got this ribbon. She sewed this part on with paper. This is paper, and she sewed this part on. Here's another one with a flamingo pocket with ribbon, some flowers, the cupcake flamingo. It says love. This is a card with a doily, paper doily, seashell glasses, boat. It says happy life, see la vie. I love that. Oh gosh, I love the ocean, so that's just my favorite part. This is the ocean, I just love it. Okay, and then we got Lucy and Ethel again. They're holding a fish. And there's some little ribbon, little ribbon right there. A clip, which the dangle on that I showed you guys. Okay, it says you are the coolest. Another pocket with ice cream cone. She put stickles on here. And stickles on here. A card. It says summer is time for warm nights, lemonade, picnics, campfire barbecues, and cloud gazing. I absolutely love that. And some beach balls and a little sticker ribbon. A flag here with glitter paper. Love it. And you can write on the back whatever you want to do. And I love this pocket. Just love it. Okay. And then this is Lucy and Ethel again. I just love them too. They were so funny together. And next we have Lucy and Desi. We got some stamps here. A card that you can journal on. Some cute stickers. That absolutely gorgeous The absolutely gorgeous paper. I mean, I love that paper. To me, it looks vintagey. I love it. And then we got some more paper. Love that. Love, love. The glitter paper in the back. We also cannot forget the ribbon right here, because ribbon is beautiful, or lace. And then Desi and Lucy again. Looks like a frame right here. Some paper that she sewed on. And then here we go. We got Lucy and Ethel. And then another beautiful card to journal on. It has tea, you know, because this fits perfectly here. Yes. And another picture type frame film there. And then she's got the dangle here that I showed you guys earlier. I love that. So cute. Lucy and Ethel. And here is the back, and she put an ephemera piece with some gingham ribbon on it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I absolutely love this journal. Thank you so much, Jovi, for creating this beautiful, beautiful calendar book. I absolutely adore it. I can't wait to show my family this book. Thank you so much. Please go check out her channel. You will not be disappointed. Like I said, I've been watching her for years. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, now on to the Dollar Tree haul. Alright, sorry the lighting has changed. I'm getting another, I bought in several camera stands, and I'm still waiting for this other one to show up, so I'm hoping this will work better. The lighting in here is not very good, but this is the only place I can film in. The lighting just seems to be, ugh. Okay, so I found some wish list items from the Dollar Tree, and I can't wait to show you guys. So let's get started with this. I found the cherry clipboard, so I was excited to find that. And then the next item I found was the gummy bear clipboard. Super cute. I also found this color pen stylus. It's got the strawberry. I found a gummy bear squishy pen. I like that. I think that's super cute. I found these gummy clips, paper clips. Super cute. And then on the pouches, they had a lot of pouches, but this one stood out to me. Literally just a girl. Super cute. Like that. Also found this one for the gummy. I love these colors. Isn't that cute? I've seen people grab these. I'm going to attempt to make a journal out of these. I grabbed two, and they're only out when back to school comes out, so I grabbed two because I want to attempt to make something out of these. I needed a new ruler. Oops. I got a pair of cute scissors. Found some flowers. I didn't realize I grabbed two, but I grabbed this one and two of these. So they had a bunch of these summer ice cream type candles that I totally could not help myself on. So the first one is this fudge pop. And they also had Klondike bar and this, that, and the other. So I found this one. And then I found Breyer's mint chocolate chip. super cute. I'll show you the inside of this one. Super cute. And I found these Charmsies. I saw Linnea from My 60s Life, which I will link her channel down below. Go check her out if you're not already following her. She is so uplifting. I adore her channel. So please go check her out and give her some crafty love. So I'll have 2 channels listed down below. So Charmies, I saw her haul these, and I'm going to do a separate box opening on these, like a blind box. So I got 2 of those. I also seen her open these Doorables that I can't ever find, and I actually found them at the Dollar Tree. So I got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this will be a separate box opening, so watch out for that video. I'll be posting that soon. Now a few things from Walmart. I did grab a couple of items that were in the clearance aisle. They're redoing the store, so they put some items on clearance, and looks like they were putting out more clearance when I left, but I don't know if my husband doesn't like that particular Walmart, so he probably won't be going there anytime soon. So let me flip you around and I will show you the items that I got. So this is not really anything here, but I grabbed this whole body spray, fresh lilac and water lily, and it's this one here. I want to try it out and give it a try and see how well it works. This was on clearance for $1, so I couldn't believe that, and I really like these. So yeah, $1, you can't beat that. Next I got these were on clearance for $3. I mean, it's not like a major drop, but unicorn beads, super cute. And then on another clearance item I got was, let's get it over here, were these. Aren't these cute? Love these charms. They are so cute. I'd really like to make a necklace or a pair of earrings or something out of these. Super cute. This next item are these hair clips, and I plan on doing something with these, so stay tuned for that. Aren't very expensive. Got this other hair clip, and stay tuned for this one because I'm going to do something with this one as well. And we're going to make something out of these hair clips, so I'm super excited. And then I just needed a few essentials. I needed some more earring hooks, and I like this kind. Unfortunately I couldn't find that other one, but that's what this one, these are fish hooks. I grabbed some more eye pins, and I grabbed the silver. It looked like it was opening up over here. These are, oh excuse me, these are not eye pins, these are head pins. So these are eye pins, these are head pins. So yeah, look out for my video on the Doorables and the box opening, the blind box opening on those, and then my hair accessories, what I'm going to do with those. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Please check out the channels I had mentioned, and you all have a lovely day. Bye for now.